Hello everybody, thank you for stopping by my channel today. Today I'm going to test out my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. I have, so far I bought 4 lipsticks, 1 gloss and 1 lip pencil. The lip pencil, lip gloss and lipstick actually comes in a set. And the color I chose is Velvet Muse. So this is how it looks like. And it comes in a very beautiful pouch. And this is how it looks like, it's a velvet pouch. It's really pretty. And very well made too. So there's a cute little button. And I kept the papers in to keep the shape. And for the other 3 lipsticks that I have, I got it in Velvet Fawn, Velvet Blush and Skyscraper Rose. So let's go about swatching the lipsticks and glosses. So I'll start with the lightest color and move on to the darkest color, the deepest color. So the first one I'm going to try is Velvet Fawn. So this is what I have over here. So the lipstick bullet is very nice. It looks like a piece of velvet itself with the imprint on the side. So let's start with this color. What I have right now is actually a little bit of a lip balm. Okay, and let's start. How it feels. It feels very nice and comfortable on the lips. It feels rich, and yet there's no shine to it. So the color is also quite flattering. It's a nude color, and on days when you want to go look more natural. So blotting with tissue is how much is left, and you can also share it out. And this is how it looks and it's more sure. Okay, let's go for the next color. So the next one I have is part of the set. It's Velvet Muse. So this is the color. And if I were to lighten the color, so I'm going to add the lip liner for this. Now with the gloss. The Muse Gloss. I'm going to try it on its own to see how it looks. This has a very nice lip. It feels very nice on the lips, very comfortable and nourishing. And I think this is a very good formula for a gloss. You see, when I press my lips together, the color doesn't really separate. Most glosses, when you press the lips together, I find the color will separate and it becomes transparent. But for this, the color is quite pigmented, it doesn't happen so easily. Maybe it does happen a little bit, but it's still quite well applied. Okay, so let's go for the next color. This color, the next one I have is Velvet Blush. This is how the lipstick looks, the bullet. It's a light wash. So now let's apply it from the bullet. See, the good thing about this lipstick is that when you blot it, see the color that transfers out, it's not really much. And I feel that it's actually quite suitable to wear, quite okay in case you want to wear a lipstick under your mask. In case you're going somewhere like a dinner or something, you can still wear this. It doesn't transfer so easily, but if you were to press on it, of course the color will come out. But if I were to just like blot my lips with tissue, it's quite a good staying power. It doesn't transfer so easily, so that's something nice. Now the last color that I got is Skyscraper Rose. The color looks so beautiful that I could not resist it, although it's really very bright, almost neon. So let's try on the lips. When I saw the models wearing it, it all looked so nice in it, and even with the different skin tones. So this is how Skyscraper Rose looks, a light wash. And then we're going to make it, deepen it up. See how it looks. And this is it with it darkened. Did you also buy the lipsticks? And if you did, which color is your favorite? Which did you choose? I forgot to mention the other pouch that I got. This is the red one. I actually was thinking of getting the green one, but when I saw the other YouTubers with the dark green, it looked darker than I thought it would be, so I changed it to the red, and I'm really glad I got it. I find it really pretty. This is my favorite lip color among all of them. In fact, actually I like all of them, but I chose this to be my favorite among all of them. This is Velvet Muse. It's because it's slightly deeper than the Velvet Fawn, and it still looks like a natural color that I can wear on a day-to-day basis. So, and it's a happy coincidence that I also chose this to as the set, with the lip gloss and the lip pencil. One thing I'd like to share about the lipsticks is that it's actually quite soft. Do be careful when you're applying the lipstick and not put too much pressure. Mine actually broke at the base, and when I contacted the customer service, Lisa Eldridge customer service, through email, I was very impressed because within a couple of hours they replied to my email stating how sorry they were, and they explained the reason why these lipsticks tend to be a bit softer because of the high pigmentation, and they also informed me that a new lipstick was on the way to me. That impressed me because not only does Lisa Eldridge put a lot of care in her products, you can see from her videos when she talks about it, and the whole packaging itself, from the time it comes to you in the box and you open it up to the packaging, the color, how much love and care is put into it, down to the customer service. So it impressed me a lot. When buying a product, it's not just the end product that makes a difference, it's the whole experience from buying it to the after sales service that makes the difference. So with this good experience that I have, I like to share, and I definitely do look forward to buying more of her lip products and maybe looking into her other things that she has on her site as well. She also deals with jewelry, so just to share. And that's all for me today, and I'm wishing you a good day ahead. Thank you for joining me. Bye.